There's a brown bear over here. Oh, there he is right there. See him? There's a brown bear right there, munching on some salmon. Bro. I was down here flossing. I caught one silver. Good size. The high tide's coming up, so flossing won't work. People are using rod and reels with bobbers. But there's a brown bear over there, bro. Where are you, buddy? Where'd he go? See if I can find him. Oh, I see him. He's right there. Brown bear. Bird Creek. Well, I'm not gonna stay. I gotta go change my setup. Signing off.